The more bad news for Fire Stick users out there. Fire Stick users are being blocked out of HBO Go. Not all Fire Stick users, but older Fire Sticks that aren't getting updates anymore that Amazon has decided not to support. What we're going to do is we're going to look at that and tell you exactly what's happening. So in the new HBO update that rolled out to users, and this actually correlates really closely with the buyout of HBO with Paramount. So there's some things going on there as well. What we've got going on is that if your Amazon Fire Stick might be impacted by this news, it might be time for an upgrade, and you might be wanting to look for something different than an Amazon Fire Stick for your upgrade. I've talked about this in previous videos, that Amazon's going to a new operating system that's going to be blocking a lot of your apps that you may want to run. Let's go ahead and take a look at the whole information about this, though. When it comes to the device, these include devices that are the Fire OS 5. Now, instead, the app will require OS 6. So if you're not running OS 6 or later, you won't be able to run the new HBO app. Now, this is a common theme that's happened on devices over the years, in the Roku and on Samsung TVs, that subsequently decided they wouldn't be able to run certain apps like HBO, and you had to buy a new box in order to be able to run those apps. So this is a constant theme, but these are pretty old devices that go back, in some cases, like 12 years. When it comes to the Fire Stick issue right now. So most of you are going to be fine. But however, if you're concerned that you're infected, you can check your Fire TV settings in the Fire TV and see what version of the OS you're running. You'll be able to view the version of the Fire TV OS and see if it's updated to Fire TV OS 6. Now, this isn't the only change that Amazon's been doing. Like I talked about, the company's cracking down on illegal streaming. So this means that many apps that are unauthorized are being immediately blocked and removed from your Fire Stick. So a lot of apps are starting to not work that did previously work on Fire Sticks. In the future, Fire Sticks will no longer be running the Android operating system. This affects you in a way that you won't be able to sideload apps at all going forward into the future. So I want everybody to understand those particular things. This update is set to stamp out any dubious Fire Sticks that have been tampered with to unlock access to channels without paying for them. The Federation Against Copyright Theft, FACT, previously warned that supplying or using illicit streaming devices is breaking the law and the risk for facing serious consequences. So let me tell you guys, depending on your situation, my recommendation is to look at a different type of device than a Fire Stick. I've said this for many, many, many years. Told people that the Fire Sticks weren't great devices even before this. They had a lot of ads. They didn't have a lot of storage capacity. When they finally, a few years ago, put out a 16 gig one, that was many, many years too late, in my opinion. So what I'm going to let you guys know is what's going on. And HBO looks like on the older Fire Sticks it's being blocked. So I'm just giving you the news. Hopefully this helps you guys out in deciding what's best for you going forward in the future. Hit a thumbs up if this video helped you out. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this whole situation, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch y'all later.